Here we are back at Lake Erie in Put In Bay, Ohio. We've launched the first 14-foot high Aqua Dam, and it's unrolling nicely. Water's going in it using one 6-inch pump and two 4-inch pumps. Pushing the Aqua Dam out a little bit so it doesn't hit the wall, the log that it's rolled on. We're done for the day at 3:30. There's still 4 pumps running, but they got to get it high enough so it'll sit there all night long, and there might be a storm coming in and wave action and all that, so they need to get some more water in it before they go home, and they've left somebody here to do that. We've made the connection. We got 4 3-inch pumps going. We're trying to keep the dam from unrolling. Lake water was on top of it, and we wanted to have better control. So it's the water in the side of the dam that's above the surrounding water gives us the control. Otherwise the dam could be just buoyant. That's what these two people are doing, is putting pressure on it so the dam doesn't unroll and it fills up what we have already out, which is about 250 feet. The whole dam is shifted because to keep a head of water in both sides to counteract the drift.